it was given that PQ is equal to 28, and then you have to find perimeter of triangle PLM. Now if you observe closely, PQ is 28. PQ is 28. Now we know that PQ is touching this circle at this point, right? That means PQ is a tangent. And if you observe carefully, there is one more line which is touching the circle at T, and it is also drawn from P. That means two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are always equal in length. So if this is 28, this will also be 28. Okay. But if you observe one more point from L, L is an external point. From L, N is one tangent, QO is one tangent, N is one tangent, O is one tangent. So if this is X, obviously this would be X. So, and only PL will be 28 minus X, because total 28 ఇది X remaining పోతే ఇంకెంత మనకి 28 minus X. In the same way, ఇది ఎంత ఉంది మనకి 28, ఇది Y అనుకోండి, ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది నాకు Y, ఇదేమవుతుంది నాకు 28 minus Y. సో ఇప్పుడు ఓవరాల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏమవుతుంది నాకు 28 minus X plus 28 minus Y plus ఈ మొత్తం X plus Y. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Now if you observe carefully, minus X minus Y plus Y gets cancelled. The answer is 56 centimeter. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే నేను 2 points కాడ, సో ఒక్క సెకండ్ చూడండి, కొంచెం బాగిస్తాం. ఇది ఒక టాంజెంట్ మనకి, సారీ ఈ డయాగ్రామ్స్ కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉంది, అయితే ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. యా, so PQ is one PO is one tangent, PQ is one tangent and PT is one tangent. So that's why this is 28 and this is 28. And if you observe carefully, L is also an external point. So LQ is one tangent and LN is also other tangent. So L is external point. So both this should be equal. So if this is X, this would be X. And if this is Y, this would be Y. And if this is X, what will be exclusive PL? It will be 28 minus X. So like that, if you add all these three, we'll get 56 centimeters. So which will give the perimeter of this triangle. So answer is 56.